Apple just released a new update and most people will ignore it. But honestly, this might be more important than your last big iOS update. Let's install it on my iPhone. This is a background security update. That's why you can't find it on your phone's software update section. You need to go to your privacy and security settings at the bottom, tap background security improvement. Yes, this is it, iOS 26.3.1a. I am installing it right now, and while it goes on, here's what Apple is actually doing. This is not a regular feature update or iOS update. This is Apple's background security system in action. No new UI, no new settings, nothing flashy improvements. Just pure security fixes running in the background. It patches real vulnerabilities, especially in Safari, WebKit, and core iOS components. Basically, the parts hackers would target first. So instead of writing months of big update and testing, Apple fixes it instantly. This changes how iPhone update works. Before, you wait, download, and install everything. Now Apple can push small fast security fixes anytime. So it means faster protection, less risk, and no hassle for you. That's a big shift. Should you install this? Yes, no argument. There is no downside here. There is no chances of battery health dropping or any kind of bugs. Just make sure your battery percentage is okay, you are on Wi-Fi, and please don't interrupt the process. And after it's done, nothing visually will be changed, and that's the whole point. Your iPhone is now more secure, faster, and quietly. If you learned something new, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Galaxy Station. I will keep breaking down tech like this, simple and real.